So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a mouth-watering and dearly loved recipe of mutton karahi. It is super delicious and super easy to make. So let's get started. For this recipe you are going to need 1 kilogram of meat. I am using meat on the bone because meat on the bone is softer, juicier and more flavorsome in taste. And you know, when the bone marrow oozes out of the bones and mixes itself into the gravy, it's just yummy. So first of all, I marinate the meat with 2 tablespoons of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, and I leave it for at least 2 hours. If you have more time, you can leave it overnight in the fridge. So after 2 hours, now I add 5 to 6 tablespoons of olive oil in a heated pan, and I fry 1 onion in it until it is golden brown. Traditionally, onions are not used in karahi dishes. Karahi dishes are normally cooked in ginger, garlic, green chilies, and tomatoes, but I always add a little bit of onion in it because onions just thicken the gravy and my family likes thick gravies, so I always add onion in my karahi dishes. So after the onions are golden brown, I saute the meat in this onion and oil, and I cook it for at least 20 to 25 minutes, turning and tossing it around so that the meat gets brown from all sides and none of the pink juices are oozing out of it. So you can see now that the meat is brown from all sides and it's ready for the next step. So after that, I add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and 2 more tablespoons of crushed garlic, and 1.5 inch of ginger juliens and few chopped green chilies. I love the flavor of green chilies. It's just so nice, and it really adds a very distinct character to this recipe. I turn it, toss it around, I cook it and add 6 tomatoes in it. One teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of salt. In this recipe today I'm using black salt, but you can use whatever salt you have. And I keep cooking it on low heat. I cover the pan and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes on low heat so that the meat gets cooked in the moisture of the tomatoes. So after 25 minutes now you can see that the tomatoes are softened and you can see a little thick paste in the meat. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of water in it and cook it for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. Sometimes this mutton takes longer to cook. It depends on the kind of animal it is. You can always check it after 1 hour. If it's not cooked, add more water in it and let it cook for a little longer. So after 1 hour, this is how my karahi dish is looking. I'm going to add half a cup of olive oil in it again now and 2 teaspoons of garam masala, and I cover it. And now the meat is tender. I'm going to just let it cook on really low heat for 15 minutes. If you feel that your karahi is too dry, add a little dash of water in it just to soften up the gravy, and keep turning it, keep cooking it, keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn. And when the oils are released from the gravy, that's you know that your dish is done. So after 15 minutes, I add more green chilies and coriander leaves. And now it's time to dish it out and taste it. Look how shiny it is looking, how juicy, how delicious it's looking. Oh, it smells so awesome. I just can't wait to try it. Believe me, it is so yummy. I will encourage you to make this recipe at home, and please, when you do, let me know in the comments below. Please do come back and give me your feedback. I would love to read it. And if you have any more tips that you would like to share with me, please share them in the comments below. And this is all, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please click the thumbs up. Please click the bell icon and click the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like today's recipe. And until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.